Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm having a body cold day today. I said body cold day today. I have a top on. Doesn't seem to be doing much into heat. And I've got myself a little scarf on, or a, roundy one. And I've got my big-ish, just stand up, big-ish, love it, love it, love it. Bible cover reinvented to a waistcoat. What can I show you today? You have a choice. I have just finished 2 handbags because I had to put their inners in. I have 2 water bottle covers. I also have a box to share with you. Should we see how far we get? I'll tell you what, let's share the box first. It's from ShivTextiles. Now, these textiles, it was on eBay. No, sorry, Etsy. Get the right one. It was an E. Found it on Etsy, and it was all different pieces of wool. And I thought, the original thought is, could I do a bag out of it? Could I make a mat out of it? Would I do it for couching on slow stitching? They're just endless ideas. But anyway, it says on the front, craft with a conscience. Okay, so let's open our box. Very nicely presented. It says, thank you. It's got a nice seal on it, and it's got some good paper on it. And then inside it has the card, which tells you all about the lady, or ShivTextiles. What it's saying is its waste materials from British mills are rescued from going to landfill. Phase 2, these materials are sent to ShivTextiles ready to be upcycled. Phase 3, product designs are adapted and leftovers used in weaving workshops. And 4, sustainable homewares and accessories look as good as they make customers feel. There is a lot more to it, if you want to read it. This is obviously what they're up to. So we got the card. We got a nice thank you, which says, "Hi Linda, thank you for your supporting my small business. I hope you love crafting with all these unique and upcycled yarns. Take care, Siobhan." That's why it's called Shivy. Siobhan, yes. Okay. That's good. And in the box are lots of different wools, yarns, whatever you want to call them. What have we got? Should we go through them one at a time? Okay. That's quite big. That's rather strange. I think. Right, okay. By the looks of it, it's got a flat piece on there, and then it's got the ruffle. So perhaps you could sew that. You wouldn't be knitting in this, would you? Perhaps you could sew that onto something. And that's a fair bit there. So that's one. Very strange. I'll put him aside and I'll put him back in a minute. This is another, goodness knows what one. Yeah. I suppose you have to really open them out. I'm trying to find an end. There's an end. This one looks like it's got a bit in the middle that you could sew onto something on your slow stitching. There's another one. There's another one like that. These are weird. Not your normal wool shop stuff, is it? Right, what's this one? Oh, this one again. You can open and then sew that on somewhere. I suppose you could knit with it. There's not a lot of it. Suppose you might get one round. I don't know. I shall have to experiment. What have we got next? Normal piece of looking, probably double knit, if not just a bit thicker than a double knit. Another one of the colours. A darker one. That's very scratchy. It's not something I'd like on my skin, but as a handbag, we can do this. I think I just ought to take one at a time out the box and knit it up to make like a round handbag. You can tell the ideas are flowing. It's another one. That one's not soft. Not soft. It's a grey one. There's not a lot of each, but that's the idea. You get a lot of samples of each. Ooh, what's that one like? Ah, that one's like, there's thick and thin in there. Can you see the differences? That one. That's quite thin. But, you know, knitted up, we don't know, do we? Oh, that's a bit like twine. Don't know that it's wool. It could be a paper. Right, he's a wool. He's definitely wool. He's a wool. He's a wool. This is the box that keeps giving, isn't it? There's loads in here. They've been squished. That's a thin one again. Blue thin one. They've been squished into one box. Oh, I like that one. I like the colours, the variants in it. Yeah, but now that's a bit thicker, but again, it's just different. Not quite sure what. There's a wool one, a yarn one. That looks like that other one that I said could be paper or ribbon or something. I'm sure someone can tell me what they actually are. That's a thin one and it's got glitter on it. Ooh. Oh, that's a bit. See that one? It's a bit fluffy, that one. This is going to make a wonderful handbag. Perhaps I would do a straight wool and then like a different one, or even that different, you know, to make it really strange. I like strange bags. I'm still going. It's a bit thinner. Oh, they're really coarse. I have to put a nice soft inner on this bag, I can tell. But I think it's a bag that in the making, definitely. Still going. Still going. Oh, I like that one. That's a bit thicker, isn't it? Quite nice. What we got? Oh, that's that one. Tinier one, but variegated colours again, which is quite nice. Another wool one. Wow, stiff wool. Another stiff wool one. It's just like Christmas, isn't it? Opening a box. Oh, look at that one. That's bizarre. These, I think, have to be crocheted or knitted. I'm not sure on that. What would be best? Because of the different widths, thicknesses, and all sorts. What's that? That's thin. Look at that. That's really thin. Oh, that's like a sewing thread. He's not thick at all. We're nearly there. One last big one. It's one of these strange ones again. That can't find an end to. I'm sure there's an end in there somewhere. Oh, I found one. There we go. And it's one of these that you would sew onto something, or we're going to knit them into the bag. Or we could use a bigger crochet hook. Your suggestions are welcomed, because I don't know quite what to do with it. Uh-oh, empty box. Now all I've got to do is get them all back in. And I'd like to do, as I said, wool, strange. Wool. I'll let you see this when it's all back in. Strange. Wool. Strange. Wool. Strange. Wool. Get the hang of this here. Strange. Wool. Strange. Can we do this? Wool. I think so. Strange. Wool. Strange. It's like an octopus, isn't it? A jellyfish. I've got a vivid imagination. Right. Wool. Strange. Wool. Oh, I'm liking this. Strange. Wool. Strange. Need another wool. Wool. Strange. Look how thin that is. No idea how this is going to knit up. Wool. Strange. Wool. Strange. I'll count them in a minute. Wool. Strange. Wool. Strange. Well, that's the little ones. You see them? All in wool, strange. This definitely needs to be made into a bag, honestly. And then, of course, I've got 1, strange, 2, 3, 4 of the absolutely strange ones. Perhaps they could be at the bottom. Perhaps I could start with these to make a sturdier bottom, and then I can come up with the thinner ones. Well, that's my ideas with the box. I was very pleased. I was going to count them for you, wasn't I? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 different, not two the same, 35 different, all I can say is textiles. They did all come out of the one box, honestly. She obviously got them in packed better than I have. But goodness me, I think it was about £16, which I thought was pretty good. For 35 different textiles, it's got to be, hasn't it? But that has to be a handbag project. A handbag project. Now, on that note, the next video, because we're running a bit, will be a handbag. So I should say, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, looking at different textiles and wools and running through my ideas with you. If you have a better idea than a handbag, do let me know in the comments. But still, on that note, I shall say, you stay safe, you take care. Do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe. And I can only apologise for the nails. I just couldn't make my mind up what colour to have. Never mind, That's the trouble when you have so many nail varnishes and you think, what do I fancy today? Obviously, I went a bit loop-de-loop. Anyway, on that note, I should say, I'm going now. So it's bye-bye for now.